everybody and welcome to Native English with Nicola. Today we're going to be looking at 10 phrasal verbs that you can use every day in the workplace. Number one is to work on something. Now, if you are working on something, it means you are improving, developing, or creating something at work. So you might ask your colleague, "What are you working on at the moment?" A reply could be, "I'm working on a really exciting project with a new client." Number two is to go over or look over something. This means to check, discuss, or review. So you might ask your boss, "Could you please look over the contract before I send it to the client?" Or you might say, "I'd like to look over the schedule for the event with you." Number three is to look into something. If you look into something, it means you are researching or finding information about something. So you might say, "We're looking into the system error that happened yesterday." Or, "I'm looking into purchasing some new office space in the city centre." Verb number four is push back. This means to postpone or delay something. For example, we have to push the meeting back to 1:30 because the reports aren't ready yet. Or the project completion date has unfortunately been pushed back due to unforeseen problems. Number five, the opposite of push back is bring forward. That means to change to an earlier time. For example, the boss has requested that we bring the meeting forward to 10 a.m. because the client needs an urgent update. Or, the deadline has been brought forward by 2 weeks. Phrasal verb number six is put together. This means to organize or assemble or create something. For example, "Could you put together a few slides for the presentation?" Or, "I'll put together a team for the marketing campaign." Number seven is run by or run past someone. Now this means you might want to get an opinion from somebody, check information with somebody, or ask permission from somebody. For example, "Could I run an idea by you?" Or, "I need to run it past my manager before we sign the contract." Number eight is draw up. This means to create an initial plan or draft of something. For example, "She's in charge of drawing up the blueprints for the new building." Or, "I'll draw up an initial project plan for us." Phrasal verb number nine is pencil in. This means when we schedule something, but it's okay if we change it. That's why we wrote it in pencil, not pen. For example, "I'll pencil you in for 3 p.m. on Friday, but if anything changes, just give me a call." Or, "Let's pencil the meeting in for tomorrow." And our final phrasal verb, number 10, is to pick up. This means when your work is increasing, getting faster, or improving. So we could say, "Sales have really picked up since the marketing campaign." Or, "I'm hoping business picks up towards Christmas." Okay guys, there we go. 10 phrasal verbs that you can use every day in the workplace. I hope you found this video useful and interesting. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!